Hello friends, welcome back. Welcome to another video. Today I'm here for you, and today I am going to discuss the most important suggestions for your upcoming exam, B.ED First Sem Session 2022 and 2024, course 1.1 EPC 1. So without wasting any time, let's check it out. The first question is, what is schema? So this is the questions and answer also. Please have a look and we will proceed further. Okay, so have a look. And next question is, what is oral reading? What is oral reading? And here is also the answer of that questions. Okay, next, the question is, write the characteristics of standard reading or good reading. Write the characteristics of standard reading or good reading. So look the answer of that questions. And next question is, what do you mean by creative level of reading? What do you mean by creative level of reading? Look the answer of that questions. Okay, have a look and go to the next questions. Next question is, what is extensive reading? What is extensive reading? Okay, here the answer also in these questions. And next questions is, this is the next questions. What do you mean by interpretive level of reading? So look the answer of these questions and go to the next questions. Okay, please pause the video and take the screenshot of the answer of the questions. And these questions are most important for your upcoming exams, B.ED First Sem. So without wasting any time, watch the video for the more notes and suggestions. Next question, what is metacognition? What is metacognition, or what is the meanings of metacognition? So these are the two questions and answers is the same of the two questions. So have a look of this question and pause the video and take the screenshot of the answers of these questions. Okay, so have a look. I am scrolling slowly that you can take the screenshot easily. Okay, look. And next question is, explain the concept of skimming and scanning. Explain the concept of skimming and scanning, or write the techniques of reading. Write the techniques of reading, or what do you mean by skimming and scanning? What do you mean by skimming and scanning? So these are the questions and the answer of the question is in the below. And have a look. I am scrolling slowly and you can take the screenshot easily. Okay, have a look. I am scrolling slowly and slowly. Have a look. And these questions is prepared by our beloved Azhar sir. Everyone knows about him. So these are the most important questions for your upcoming exam, because the suggestion is created by our beloved, our respected sir, Azhar sir. Okay, so have a look. And next question is, this is very important questions, that how do you developing vocabulary for reading? How do you developing vocabulary for reading? Okay, and have a look the answer of that questions. And I'm scrolling it easily, slowly and slowly, and you can take the screenshot. Okay, to the point answer is here. have a look. These are the most important questions for your upcoming exam. And next question is explain problems of reading. Explain the problems of reading. Okay. If you want to download the PDF, if you want to the PDF of this question answers, so you can join the Telegram channel which has given in the description box, and you can easily download the Telegram channel, or you can easily type Telegram RS tutorial guide, then you can find the channel easily. Okay, so if you want, you can join the Telegram channel and you can easily download the PDF of this questions answer. Okay, and next question is discuss similarities between oral and silent reading. Discuss similarities between oral and silent reading. And or the same question is the another form is what are the differences between oral and silent reading? What are the differences between oral and silent reading? And here the answer of these questions, and you can take the screenshot and write down your copy, or if you want to download, if you want to the PDF of this question answers or suggestion, you can join the Telegram channel RS tutorial guide and you can download easily from them. Okay, so my friends, next question is what is descriptive text? What is descriptive text? Okay, so here the answers also in the questions, and these are the questions for your upcoming exam B.ed first sem EPC 1.1.1. so have a good day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more updates like this video. Okay, thanks. Yeah.